We'll solve this problem. X plus y is equal to 2 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 graphically. Solve these two equations graphically. Okay. So let us first take x plus y is equal to 2 and substitute different values of x or y. Okay. Let x is equal to 0. So this will become 0 plus y is equal to 2. 0 plus y is y. So y will be equal to how much? 2. So first point is 0 comma 2. Okay. Now x plus y is equal to 2 is our equation, right? So let us take x is equal to 1 now. It is up to us. We can take any value we like, right? So now this will become 1 plus y is equal to 2. So y will be equal to 1 goes on the other side becomes minus 1. So this is 1. So 1 comma 1. Alright. So the third point, x plus y is equal to 2. Let x is equal to 2. So this will be 2 plus y is equal to 2. Y will be equal to 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. So 2 comma 0 is the third point. So we have 3 points now. Okay. Let us plot these 3 points on the graph. So I have a small graph here. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Okay. So what is the first point? 0 comma 2. So x is 0 here, y is 2 here. So this is the point 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2, right? Next point 1 comma 1. So x is 1, y is also 1. Okay. This is the point 1 comma 1. Third point 2 comma 0. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 is this one, right? Okay. So let us take a scale and join these 3 points and extend the straight line, right? This is our straight line. What is the equation of this? This is x plus y is equal to 2. Okay. So we'll keep this aside. Now we'll solve the other graph, other equation. 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Same thing again, different values of x, right? So see, we substituted 0, 1 and 2 in place of x. Let us substitute different values now. Okay. Let us take x is equal to 3. So this will give us 2 into 3 plus 2y is equal to 4. 2 3 is 6 plus 2y is equal to 4. So 2y will be 4 minus 6. So 2y will be minus 2. Y will be minus 2 by 2. How much? Minus 1. So this is 3 comma minus 1. So this is first point. Alright. Now let us write the equation again. Now let us substitute x is equal to 4. So this will be 2 into 4 plus 2y is equal to 4. 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. So 8 goes on the other side becomes minus 8, right? So 2y will be equal to 4 minus 8 is minus 4. So y will be minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2. So this is 4 comma minus 2. We got the second point. Let us get the third point also. 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. So this is, let us take x is equal to 5 now. 2 into 5 plus 2y is equal to 4. 2 5s are 10 plus 2y is equal to 4. 10 goes on the other side becomes minus 10. So this is minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6 by 2 minus 3. So this is 5 comma minus 3. We got 3 points, right? Let us plot these 3 points on the same graph. First is 3 comma minus 1. So x is equal to 3 here, y minus 1. So here 3 comma minus 1. Okay. Now next point 4 comma minus 2. 4 minus 2. So this is the point 4 comma minus 2, right? X is equal to 4, y is minus 2. Third point 5 comma minus 3. 5 and y is how much? Minus 3. Okay. So what did we observe here? These 3 points are lying on the same straight line only, right? The straight line x plus y is equal to 2. So what is this equation? 2x plus 2y is equal to 4, right? Second equation. So these two lines are lying on each other, right? So it is like this. First we have one straight line and on the same straight line we have another straight line. Okay, which means what? These two straight lines are actually one line only. Okay, or we can say these two lines are coincident lines. Okay, this x plus y is equal to 2 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 are coincident lines. Now how many solutions will be there for these two equations? See, the point of intersection of the straight lines will be our solution, right? In the first case we saw intersecting lines, so these 2 points were intersecting at one point and we had one solution, right? And in the next case we saw parallel lines, they were never intersecting, right? Parallel lines will never intersect, so they had no solution. And in the third case we have straight lines like this, two lines are lying on each other, see, like this, right? That means every point, okay, which is lying on this x plus y is equal to 2 will also lie on 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. That point will satisfy both the equations, right? So like this, how many points will satisfy? How many points are there on this straight line? If we extend, it will go on, right? We'll have infinite points on this and we'll have infinite points on this line also. So every point will be an intersecting point, right? So there are infinite solutions for this. Okay, for coincident lines we'll have infinite solutions. All right, I hope this is clear. For intersecting lines only one solution, for parallel lines no solutions, for coincident lines infinite solutions will be there. Okay.